What's up, my G Squad? Welcome back to Whatcha, Cookin, Glenda. Welcome to our Vlogtober series. We are collaborating with my girl, Lazy Cookin Sabrina. Her link will be in the description box of every video, and we're pushing out these videos every day during the month of October, so stay tuned. What's up, my YouTube family? Hey to my G Squad. How are you guys doing? Happy Saturday to you. We're just coming back to you with a quick video of how to make taco seasoning. Everybody goes to the store and buys the packages of taco seasoning when they're making their taco meat and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is just show you how to make it from scratch. You probably have these ingredients in your kitchen or in your pantry, so why not just make it? Now, the amount that I'm showing you how to make is just for 1 pound of ground beef. So of course, to make a big batch of the taco seasoning, you want to keep it on hand. You want to simply, double, triple, quadruple. And in my case, because we're doing a catering event today, I'm going to times this by 9 a little later off camera. You also want to store it in an airtight container and in a cool and dry place, and you can store it for up to 6 months. So here's your ingredients. You're going to need paprika. You're also going to need some chili powder, as well as some garlic powder. You're also going to need some oregano. I know you're thinking oregano, that's an Italian seasoning, but trust me, trust the process. You're also going to need some onion powder. And whatever kind of salt you have, I have a few different kinds of salt. So this right here is some sea salt, okay? I will have the measurements in the description box for you. I know we never really do that, but we're gonna do that this time. We're gonna have your ingredients in the description box. So I'm gonna show you how to make this this taco seasoning for enough for just 1 pound of ground beef, okay? Just 1 pound. Again, double, triple, quadruple, depending on how much ground beef you have. So we're gonna start off with 5 teaspoons of paprika. Five teaspoons of paprika. And just regular paprika. I don't think the recipe calls for I have Spanish style paprika, so we're gonna see how this works, but I'm also doing a Spanish dish today, so it's okay. I don't know about smoked or anything like that. So we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of chili powder. If I can get it out of the thing without making a mess. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. We're gonna do a teaspoon and 1/4 So 1 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm just gonna pour this out in here because I don't have very much in this. That's 1. And then 1/4. Y'all know I don't measure nothing, so this is really it's really bothering me that I'm having to measure this out. But it's okay, I'm doing it for the people. Do it for the gram. And we're gonna also do 1 1/4 teaspoons of onion powder. Here's the 4th right there. Here's my 1 teaspoon. Yep, got a little bit more, but that's okay. Then we're going to do 1 teaspoon of oregano. Some oregano leaves. These are dried oregano leaves. And then last but not least, we're going to do 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt. Put that salt right in the middle. And there you have it. This right here is your taco seasoning. You're gonna give that a good mix. Make sure every ingredient is well incorporated with each other. And this, my dear, is what you would purchase from the store in that little package that costs you like $1 something. And you already had the ingredients in your pantry. You can put this to the side. Like I said, we are doing a little catering event for my brother-in-law. Today is his birthday and he wants a taco bar. So we are doing a taco bar and nachos. So you'll see some more videos. I'm gonna come back and show you. But here is my video on taco seasoning. You guys make sure that you try it. If you are new to the channel, make sure that you click like, share, and subscribe. We need everybody to click like, share, and subscribe. Make sure that you're sharing, watching this video all the way through. We want to grow, so share, 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 and share alike. If you have any more questions, make sure that you ask those in the description. I'm sorry, in the comment section. I do read the comment section, so let me know what you think when you give it a try. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.
Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the G Squad. This is the best channel on YouTube. So make sure that you spread the word and you get us to that 1,000 subscriber mark. We are so close. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.